Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Design Space India.
In our previous video tutorial, we discussed about the importance of scope of work and its benefits. Today we will talk about how to design your quotation. So let's get started. So, what is quotation of services? In this context, we will talk only about the quotations offered by the designer to the client. As quotations can be offered by any seller to any buyer or any service provider to the one who is looking for those services. How can a designer offer quotation to the client? A quotation should be preferably provided on office letterhead. It should always start with letter of appreciation for the client. This helps you on brand building and customer relationship management. A quotation should always be smart, that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound. It should be easy to read and convey the quantum of work in a layman's language. It should include floor plan of the space which is to be designed and considered in the final scope of work. How can a designer offer quotation to the client? In the layout plan, all room sizes must be clearly visible which are included in scope of work and the excluded spaces must be highlighted as well. This will clear any confusion related to the area considered in scope of work. What services you plan to offer in the design stage. Types of layouts, that is furniture layout, ceiling layout, electrical layout, flooring and tiling layout, plumbing layout, so on and so forth. Set of elevations. Set of sectional elevations. Number of 3D visuals per room. Any add-on services other than these. Mentioning how many design options you will offer will bring more light to after specific number. Any changes made in the design will be chargeable extra. What services you plan to offer in the quantification stage. Quotation will be a rough estimate made before the designs are done. But once the designs are finalized by the client, a designer should always revisit the quotation and provide a precise estimation of the proposed interior design. Getting it signed and approved by the client will always avoid any future work-related disputes. What services you plan to offer in the material selection stage, creating a theme board or a mood board for overall look of the space which is to be designed. Consultation in selecting the raw materials and consumables, hardware items, external surface treatments, paints, modular kitchen, light fixtures, furnishing, and decor items. What services you plan to offer in the site execution stage. You should always provide a site visit schedule to your client. This avoids any misconceptions in the mind of your client if he or she is expecting you to visit the site daily. Site supervision in terms of quality check. Site supervision in terms of site progress. Site supervision in terms of any specific intricacy where there is ambiguity in two different vendors related to any site work. What services you plan to offer in the site completion stage. Cross-checking the running bills and providing one final bill which is combined of all heads of services. What services you plan to offer in the site completion stage. Cross-checking the running bills, your professional fees whether your charge, percent basis, or square feet basis. You need to specify this to your client depending upon what type of design assignment the client has come up with. Stages of payment in your professional fees. Taxation related to the professional fees. Highlights always mention the validity of your quotation. For example, this document is valid for the next 7 days only. Mention any specific limitations or conditions that you want to address. For example, apart from any site visit, any other visit related to material selection will be chargeable per visit basis. Mention about the exclusions. For example, our quotation does not include any kitchen appliances. Check the titles, date and spelling corrections before you dispatch or email the quotation document to your client. Thank you friends for watching this video tutorial. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe Design Space India, your own channel which offers you vital information which is absolutely free about the tips and tricks in interior design. Now you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Find links of the same in the description below. Leave your feedback in the comment section. If you want any specific topics to be addressed, then mention the same in comments or you may write to us at info.designspaceindia@gmail.com. We will definitely come up with a nice video tutorial for that. This is our humble effort to bring the ethical practices to you through this channel which are beneficial for both the clients and the designers. Stay tuned as our next topic will unfold more about engagement contract or registration agreement. See you next time.